Open Instagram app. Click on your Instagram profile. Tap on three line from the top right corner. Scroll down and find out Instagram help. Click on help. Now tap on report a problem. Click on report problem. Include and continue. Now in this box, briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So in this box, write down, "Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram back button missing and disappeared. Please solve this issue as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Instagram support team. Now follow the second step. Tap and hold on Instagram app. Click on I button. Scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from Instagram app. Now follow the third step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Search Instagram app. From here, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Now see, Instagram back button missing and disappeared problem successfully solved.